Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I'll show you how to restore the phone app icon on the VIVO X300 Pro. As you can see here, the phone app icon is nowhere to be seen on the quick access belt or in any desktop or folders. To fix this issue, just hold down the empty space in your workspace, press on Widgets, scroll left, and here is our phone app. To put it on your workspace, just hold down and drag and drop where you want to be. Let's put it on this belt. Now I have a phone app icon. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HardReset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.